Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Mike here from TeamHira Adventures. So today I'm making some veggie chow mein. I put in tofu. So I'll show you the ingredients I have here guys. Thank you guys for watching our channel. Thank you for our channel. Chinese sauce here. I have a next one here, but it's two different ones. It's not the same. I have sesame oil, garlic sauce, Himalayan salt, black pepper, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, onion powder, and some cayenne pepper. Alright, so all this will go in the chow mein later on. Alright, so this is all the ingredients I have here. So I gotta cut up the tofu and then you can season it and then fry it and then add it into the chow mein later. I have some water here boiling for the chow mein. I've boiled the chow mein inside there. And this is the kahari to make the chow mein in. I'm using this chow mein, Guyana Tasty Original. Guyana is a low carb. You can see the carb, little 11 grams of carb, and you have dietary fiber, 10 grams of dietary fiber, so you're high in fiber, is very good. That's why I always like to use this one, it's low in carb. Sometimes like 40 something grams of carb, 50 something grams of carb. So I have 2 packs of this. That's what I'm using, that's the chow mein I'm using. You get the chow mein ready to go in the pot, and then we can start to cut this tofu. Alright guys, so we're gonna cut the tofu up small. I squeeze it overnight, drain all the water. You wanna make sure all the water is out, because if you cook it with the water, you'll be kind of mashed up and really comes up real bad. So you wanna make sure it's dry, rest a heavy weight on it, squeeze it overnight or early in the morning if you use it in the afternoon. Squeeze it real good with a heavy, something heavy, so get all the water out of it. And this is the form one, organic form tofu. So you're gonna cut this up now. Not too big, we can slice it up small. Like this, we put it like cube, small cube. Guys, if you never tried with tofu, it's real good. The tofu in the chow mein is real good. You think it's real chicken eating. If you never try it, you try it, but if you never try it, give it a try with tofu, it's really good. If you don't want too much of chicken inside, not people cutting down on the meat, eat less meat. Cut a bit of cube. You can add some sesame oil into this. You can add a little Himalayan salt. Not too much, I average, I don't measure it, I just average. Some onion powder. Some garlic powder. You can put a little bit of the garlic sauce. A little bit of the Chinese sauce. A little black pepper, a little cayenne pepper. You know, when I cook, I always like it spicy, so I use a lot of spice because I like the heat of it. And we have a little Cajun seasoning. Stir this up. See how good this look. So you don't mash. Anything you get it formed, the organic form one is really good. And you can make this with a lot of stuff. Not even chow mein, you could put it in chana, stir fry rice. So I'm gonna fry it now into the oil. I'm gonna fry it a little brown. Alright, so that's the tofu inside the oil now, frying. So I'm gonna fry this real brown and nice. And that's it finished. When I finish, I will show you what it looks like. Also in the pot with the water, I add some salt in it to boil the chow mein. And then I'm going to add some olive oil into it so it don't stick, the chow mein don't stick inside. Alright guys, so the water is hot, so I break it up first. Alright, so I'm going to throw this inside the pan. So I add some olive oil in there and the salt. Alright, so I just make pack and a half because if you make both pack you get too much, so I just make pack and a half. You give it a stir. When I boil my chow mein, I don't boil it over soft, normal. So when you cook back in here, then it will be perfect. Alright, so that will boil. I have the tofu frying here. And we get started on the onion, the garlic, the mushroom. You can put that inside here. So we put this, let the oil heat up a little. In the meantime, this is fried. Alright, so I add a little grind seasoning in here. The chow mein is going, it starts to boil. Alright, so we add our onion, bell pepper. We add our mushroom. So we got some Guyanese-Style. Put some of the sesame oil. This sesame oil is really good. Every time I do chicken stir fry, I use a lot of these. Some of the Chinese sauce, cayenne pepper, some of the garlic powder, some of the onion powder, some black pepper, some of the garlic sauce. Garlic sauce. Right, so we'll give this a try. If I make chowmein fried rice, I like to use this sazan to give it a really good taste. We got two pack in here, and then we got add some of the chowmein later on. So that's what it looks like. That's all the garlic, the onion, the bell pepper, the mushroom, and I add all the sauce into it. So I'll let that cook down now. Once that cook, the chow mein will finish by then we got add the chow mein, then add the tofu last. That's the tofu frying it, because I want to fry this brown. I don't want it like half fry, I'll fry it real brown and nice. I have one fresh pepper here. I will cut this into the garlic and onion. You don't smell too hot. I bought it on Liberty Avenue today by Sing Farm, but you don't smell too hot. So I will put the whole thing. I planted 3 in front, but this year we didn't get nothing, but the weather is too hot. The tree is shrouding. I get some bologna. I will show you the bologna tree and pepper it look. This year, last year I planned to get a lot of pepper. This year the weather is really bad. It's too much heat. Now guys, I use this the oil I'm using. It's a healthy oil. You don't have to worry about cholesterol. I really like this oil. Every time you fry it into this is dry. There's no oily. It's kind of dry and nice. So I have my carrot here now. I'll put the carrot in. Carrot cook real fast. I don't want to put it in too early. So this is the first set of tofu I take out. So nice and brown it is. So you don't mash up when you put it in the chow mein, you don't mash up. So that's how you just put the carrot inside there. So that will cook. Before this finish, I add the cabbage. Because I don't want to put the cabbage in too early if you get mashed up and get too soft. The chow mein will finish in a few minutes. Once this cooked, then we got the chow mein in. That's the chow mein inside there. There's the last set of tofu frying there. Alright guys, so our chow mein is ready. I will strain this out. So I have some plant-based butter here. I add like half of this. This will give it a lot of flavor. This much. Mix this up and the butter in here. So we can add the cabbage in now. Add the cabbage in. I just add the cabbage, that's what it looks like there right now. So I will let that cook for a little, and then I'll add the chow mein, then I'll add some more seasoning inside. And this is the tofu here. I finished fried. This 1 pack I put, I'm not putting more than 1 pack. This is 1 pack tofu. You can eat it just like this as a snack. Alright, so let this fry here now. Once this finish cooked, then we gotta add the chow mein. This finished, I slow the fire a little. Add my sazan here, I put some more sazan in here. 1 more pack sazan in here, reddish color one. We add our chow mein in. See how it's loose with the olive oil? No paste. So when I boil it, I put some olive oil inside the pot. With salt, some more Chinese sauce, some of the sesame oil. That's some of the garlic powder here again. Some of the Cajun seasoning. Some of the other Chinese sauce. And let's put another cayenne pepper. A little, because I boil the chow mein salt, so I'll just put a little. Give this a stir. And when it's finished, you can add some broccoli, sardine broccoli. You can cut some cabbage real fine and you can sprinkle the top and leave it. But I'm not putting any cabbage at the top. And I didn't put no broccoli because I usually do organic broccoli. I didn't buy the organic one today, so if I buy the regular one, I usually wash it with vinegar real good before I use it. But I didn't put any broccoli today. Alright, so now we add the tofu in. Alright, so we give it a taste. Make sure it's good. Perfect. You don't need anything more. No salt, no sauce. Perfect. Looking good. Really tasty with all the sauce, with the sazan. This is the tofu right here. Tofu tastes just like chicken. You think it's chicken. And after chicken, I have some chicken with seasonings for barbecue. Within barbecue, so I'll fry it out. Alright, so let me empty this and then we'll move to the chicken. Alright guys, so that's the chow mein. I empty it. It looks good. We taste it. It really tastes good. So guys, try it. Try this tofu in your chow mein or fried rice. You can put it in fried chana. Fry it nice. Make sure it's drained good. Get all the water out from it. And it will work as meat substitute. You think it's real meat you're eating. Now you could put some scallion shallot at the top, some cabbage if you want, but I didn't put no scallion or shallot because the weather is so hot that scary spoil. I have some chicken here we seasoned to barbecue. We didn't barbecue, so I will fry it. I have the oil hot in here, and this here I not put any butter because I put a butter yesterday in it, and it's already soaked in, so I'm not putting back extra one again. So that's the first of the chicken I just put in there. Guys, so that's the fried chicken. Just finish fry all of it. It's not too much or a little parcel, but that's enough. Because we're not eating too much fried chicken anyway. But seems that a little bit left back, we just fry it out. So give it a try, the chow mein with the tofu. The veggie chow mein, alright, and that's our chicken. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you like the recipe I do with I use a lot of recipe out there with chow mein and things like that, but this is my version of how I do veggie chow mein with the tofu. And you can add more veggie if you want. Guys, hope you like this recipe. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe guys. Alright, see you back soon in the next video. Bye, good night everybody.